Hello everybody. Welcome to the roofing episode on the Hodge Podge Lodge. We're going to be putting on our shingles and all of our backing paper. We're going to be doing some flashing work. And I know you guys seen all this kind of stuff before, so I'm not going to bore you with all the technical part of it. I'm just going to kind of bring you along, let you see how it's looking, and we'll just go from there. And I hope you enjoy it, and let's get at it. Well, hello everybody. This is what we have after day one, and we're ready to start our second day on it. We've got the flashing on. We've got the shingles up to this point, right at the top of that skylight there. We got the flashings on the skylight. Even got the top flashing on it. So we're going to finish off the rest of this today. Then we got to go around to the other side. And yeah, this side we have to do everything too. We got to put the flashing on it too. So we're going to start our day. Well, we got this side done. I got to trim off that little piece of felt paper up there, and we'll do the other side and get it capped. Yeah, we got to start off on this side fresh. We don't even have the paper on this side. This is how we started. All I have done on this side is put this lower drip molding on. I need to put this molding up here, and I have to put the flashing right down there. Then we'll go ahead and start putting the paper on this one and the shingles. This should be a lot easier since we don't have to deal with that skylight. Well, we got this side about a little less than half done. I think it's looking pretty good. We're going to keep at it here. Yeah, we're almost done now. We just got a couple more rows left. Well, we got this side shingled yesterday, and this morning we're trying to get the ridge cap put on before it starts raining. Danny's up there preparing the ridge caps right now, putting the ceiling strip on the very end, and I'll bring you back when we have a few on there. Okay guys, here it is with the ridge cap on it. Let's show you the other side. Daniel went home, he got tired out, and man, I really appreciate him coming. So thank you, son, if you're watching this. I know you will. You can see right up there, I went ahead and put some of the siding on it. I used the same stuff that I used on the front here. And that's what we're going to end up with up there on those triangular pieces. We're going to end up with that siding on it. Then it'll get trimmed out with more of that 1x3 trim. And here it is with the roof cap on it. I think the thing looks pretty good. Very happy with it. And I took some leftovers, and you see I've been working up there. And I took the leftovers, all the little scrap pieces I had, and I roofed the front box with it. This electrical box I have here in the front. Yeah, I went ahead and just roofed that. I put a piece of flashing behind this wood, and then I put adhesive behind it, the black tar type adhesive, Henry's cement. And I put some behind this too. Then I nailed the board over it. And up here, I will also be putting sealant around this, you know, painting sealant. So I think that'll work. I know what my angle isn't real good here, but I went ahead and I put the Henry cement in between every crack on these, underneath each one of these, and glued them down really good, these shingles. So I think we're good. Well, I've got to go try to find some more of that, of this siding right up here. Oops, I just stepped in a mud puddle. And yeah, I got to get some more of that siding. And I'm going to go check the coal pile over there. If not, I'll have to buy a 12-foot piece and, yeah, probably two 12-foot pieces. And that should finish me up. Well, I guess that's the end of this video here. We got quite a bit done here, and I'm very, very happy. And I'd like to thank my son one more time. Thank you, Daniel. And yeah, I think next we're going to be putting some trim on and maybe starting the paint process. That's going to be interesting. I've got 4 colors picked out, and got one for the door, and one for accent colors, one for the trim, one for the upper and the lower parts of the main colors there. Yeah, I'm going to paint that this section up here a different color than the bottom, and same way with on the front. But it should be really fun. So I'm looking forward to that, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for coming along. Bye-bye.